Okay, now we got the thing working again. We got the seal out of it. We're looking at this seal right now, and it's just fell out the bottom. Hold it up to the back right there, Steve. Okay, if you can look inside that right there, this is all the grease that's in this thing, and it looks to me like that it's not been packed. It just looks like it's been. Let me zoom in on it there, Steve. You can see there's not much grease in around, like right there around that bearing. Virtually no grease in around that, in between the rotors. So it doesn't look like this thing's been packed. It looks like it's just been smeared around. Also, what brand bearing is that?
LM something. LM something.
Yeah. What's that right there on the side? I'm gonna pause this video again.